Have you ever wondered how we accurately measure solution strength? Today, we'll explore methods of expressing concentration in pharmaceutical analysis. Concentration tells us how much solute is present in a solution. In simpler terms, it shows us if a solution is strong or weak. Concentration is defined as the amount of solute in a definite amount of solvent. Mathematically, it's the amount of solute divided by the amount of solution. Multiple methods exist to express concentration based on accuracy needs. Let's start with percentage concentration. This method shows how many parts of solute exist in 100 parts of solution. There are three types to consider. First, weight. Weight percentage expresses grams of solute per 100 grams of solution. For example, 5% with W sodium chloride means 5 grams of sodium chloride in 100 grams of solution. Next, weight. Volume percentage indicates grams of solute per 100 milliliters of solution. A common example is a 5% with V glucose solution, which equals 5 grams of glucose in 100 milliliters of solution. Lastly, volume. Volume percentage shows milliliter of solute per 100 milliliters of solution. For instance, 70% V alcohol means 70 milliliters of ethanol in 100 milliliters of solution. Now, let's discuss parts per million, ppm, and parts per billion, ppb. These are used for dilute solutions, like impurities or environmental samples. To find ppm, divide the mass of solute by the mass of solution and multiply by 1 million. An example is 1 ppm, which equals 1 milligram of solute per 1 kilogram of solution. Moving on to molarity, one of the most crucial terms in analysis. Molarity is determined by the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. For example, 1 MnAOH contains 1 mole of NaOH or 40 grams in 1 liter of solution. Next is molality, defined as moles of solute per kilogram of solvent. For instance, 1 meter sodium chloride means 1 mole of sodium chloride in 1 kilogram of water. Unlike molarity, molality isn't affected by temperature since it depends on mass. Now, let's look at normality, which expresses concentration in gram equivalents per liter. For example, 1 N hydrogen sulfate means 1 gram equivalent of hydrogen sulfate, 49 grams, in a liter of solution. Lastly, we have mole fraction, showing the ratio of moles of one component versus total moles. Mole fraction has no units and is used in thermodynamic calculations. To summarize, we discussed various concentration methods. Percentage expressions are simple. ppm and ppb are for trace analysis. Molarity is common in labs. Molality is useful in thermodynamics. Normality applies to titrations. Mole fraction aids in various calculations. Concentration can be expressed in different ways to meet analysis requirements. Among these, molarity and normality are most widely used in laboratories. Thank you for joining us today. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to DRX Learning Hub. Don't miss our next video on preparation and standardization of solutions.